Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, Christmas book centerpiece decoration ideas. Friends, I will share you so friends. I hope you like my videos. So let's start today's video. Friends, open book Christmas and open an old book in the center, a tiny Christmas tree, a small house, and fake snow on the page. It looks like a mini Christmas village growing out of a book. Vintage book candle display. Place 2 or 3 old books in a bin. Put a candles or lantern on top. Add pin cones, berry and ribbon. Simple, warm and cozy centerpiece. Book angel centerpiece. Fold page of an old book outward to make a fan shape. Add a wooden bell for the heads and wings from papers. Now you have a beautiful look angel and weavers. Friends, book ornaments bowl, stick book flat. Place a glass bowl filled with Christmas or ornaments on top. Add a ribbon around the books. Easy and elegant. Book snow globe display. Stand 3 books upright. Place a snow globe in front and fake snow and fairy lights around it. Magical centerpiece with a storybook look. Christmas outnote book display. Open a book to a page. Weavers and open a book to a page with a Christmas square. Decorate around it with candles, pins, branches and ornaments. It feels like a story coming alive. Book train centerpiece. Line up book like a train. Add a toy Santa gifts and light on top. Cute for kids table or classroom display. Book warp like kids. Warp old books like Christmas presents. Tie ribbon and name tags. Stick them on the table like gift decoration. So friends, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel and viewers. Thanks for watching.